This next song is called Pieces. And I wrote it I wrote it in middle school. And I revamped it a few years ago to make it more current. I really like it. This is Pieces.
About it like it was yesterday. Can't even get around it. I have so much to say. And if that's it, I doubt it is. You never late. Every time I think I'm all I get back in your way. Is it just pieces of the pieces of what we're working through? It's just pieces of the pieces of what's wrong and what's true. And I'm so long. You can say it's like change me to reevaluate. Can't you let it be that easy? And now I'm talking about it like it's all I can say. Can't even get around it. It's just too